Next please. What can I get for you today?
I want coffee, black, big one, fast please.
Stop right there. Chris, that sounded a little bit like a command, didn't it?
Was it? I was just trying to be quick.
Exactly. In many English-speaking countries, ordering coffee is not just a quick transaction, it's a small social ritual. Saying I want might get you the coffee, but it probably won't get you that warm smile from the barista. Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Jenny. Today we're spending a full cozy session together with the ultimate guide to coffee shop English. We'll go step by step, understanding the menu, polite ordering phrases, useful vocabulary and collocations, common slang, handling problems, and real conversations while enjoying your drink.
And I'll be your practice partner, making all the mistakes first so you don't have to.
Sounds good. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the menu. Specialty coffee shops can feel a bit overwhelming. Chris, quick question, what's the real difference between a latte and a flat white?
They both have milk?
Yes, but the texture and strength are different. Let me explain some key vocabulary and collocations. Espresso is the strong concentrated base. We often say a single shot or a double shot of espresso. An Americano is espresso mixed with hot water. A common collocation is I'll have an Americano with an extra shot. For milky drinks, a latte has lots of steamed milk with only a thin layer of foam. People usually say a creamy latte or make it extra hot. A cappuccino has thicker, airier foam on top. You might hear dry cappuccino, meaning more foam and less milk. A flat white is stronger than a latte, with velvety microfoam, very popular in Australia and New Zealand.
What about sizes? Some cafes don't use small, medium, or large.
Exactly. Many places use tall for small, grande for medium, and venti for large. A useful collocation is I'll take a grande in a to-go cup. Now let's look at add-ons. Common collocations include oat milk latte, almond milk cappuccino, vanilla syrup, caramel drizzle, or extra shot. Vocabulary spotlight, steamed milk, froth, velvety texture, and microfoam. Now we come to one of the most important parts, how to order politely. In English, saying I want can sound a bit direct. Instead, we use softer structures. Here are the 3 magic phrases you should remember. First, could I please get? Very polite. Second, I'd like to have, natural and widely used. Third, can I grab a? Friendly and very common in casual cafes.
Let me practice. Can I grab a grande latte with oat milk, please?
Much better. Notice how please at the end makes a big difference. In cafes, the collocations please and thank you are essential for creating a friendly atmosphere. When you want to change something, use with or instead of. For example, I'd like a latte with an extra shot of espresso. Or, can I have oat milk instead of regular milk? Other useful collocations, make it to go or for here. Let's put it all together in a realistic role play. I'll be the barista and you'll be the customer. Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, could I please get a large iced latte?
Sure thing. Any milk preference?
Regular is fine, and can I get that to go?
You bet. That'll be $6.50. Do you want your receipt?
No thanks. I'm good.
Great job. Did you notice the natural expressions? What can I get started for you? Sure thing. You bet, and I'm good, which means no, thank you. In American English we say to go. In British or Australian English, people often say for takeaway.
Jenny, what if I'm in a hurry? How can I ask for speed politely?
Never say make it quick. Instead, try softer collocations such as I'm actually in a bit of a rush, is it possible to have this soon? Or, I have a train to catch. I'd really appreciate it if you could hurry. Here are some popular coffee slang and collocations you'll hear often. Caffeine fix, I really need my caffeine fix this morning. On the house, when the barista gives you something for free. easy on the ice, meaning less ice. The usual, when you order the same drink regularly. Coffee run and grab and go are also very common.
What should I do if the order is wrong? For example, I ordered hot but received iced?
Stay calm and polite. Let's roleplay it.
Oh, excuse me? I think there's a small mistake. I actually ordered this hot.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me remake it for you right away.
No worries, thank you so much.
Notice the polite language. I think there's a small mistake instead of you gave me the wrong drink. Using no worries and thank you so much keeps the conversation friendly and respectful.
One last question. Why do baristas often spell my name wrong on the cup?
It happens all the time. Many people use a simple coffee name like John or Anna to make it easier. Now, imagine we've got our drinks. Let's sit down, relax, and enjoy them together like real friends at a cafe. This latte has such a nice creamy texture. How's your Americano, Chris?
It's really good, rich and smooth with a slight chocolatey note. I love the bold flavor.
That's interesting. I always notice the flavor notes when I drink specialty coffee, like nutty, fruity, or caramel notes.
Speaking of that, do you prefer drinking coffee at a coffee shop or making it at home?
That's a great question. I love the atmosphere of a coffee shop, the smell of freshly roasted beans, the cozy vibe, and the chance to people watch. It feels like a little break from daily life.
I agree the atmosphere is nice, but honestly, I prefer making coffee at home now. It's much cheaper, I can control the strength exactly how I like it, and I don't have to wait in line. Plus, I've invested in a good grinder and pour-over setup.
That's a fair point. The debate between coffee shop versus homemade is very common. Coffee shops give you the experience and social feeling, while making it at home saves money and gives you full control. Many people do both, enjoy the cafe on weekends and make their daily cup at home.
Exactly. And the best part is, no matter where you drink it, you can still practice your English by describing the taste. This has bright acidity, it's very well balanced, or it has a long finish.
Alright, we've finished our drinks. Now it's time to settle the bill. In many cafes, you pay right after ordering, but in some relaxed places, you can pay at the end.
How do we ask for the bill politely?
You can say, "Could I have the check, please?" More common in American English. Or, "Could I get the bill, please?" Common in British English.
Excuse me, could I have the check, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. And I'd like to leave a tip?
In many countries, especially the US, tipping is expected in coffee shops. A common collocation is leave a tip. You can say, "Keep the change as a tip." Or simply round up the amount and say thank you, and this is for you.
Got it. Always remember, a small tip and a smile go a long way in creating good service.
Let's quickly summarize what we've learned in today's episode. We started with menu vocabulary and common collocations. Then we practiced polite ordering structures and magic phrases. We looked at useful slang and how to ask for changes smoothly. We practiced handling problems with good manners. We enjoyed a relaxed conversation about flavor notes and debated coffee shop versus homemade coffee. Finally, we learned how to ask for the bill and leave a tip politely.
I feel much more confident now. I can't wait to try these phrases in a real cafe.
Thank you so much for spending this long cozy session with us. If you found this episode helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future lessons. Now it's your turn, leave a comment below and tell us. What is your favorite or go-to coffee order in English? Do you prefer drinking coffee at a cafe or making it at home? And which new phrase or collocation did you like the most today?
We read every comment and love hearing your stories. Your questions help everyone improve.
Share this video with a friend who wants to feel more confident ordering coffee in English. See you in the next episode, where we'll continue exploring more real-life English situations together. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep speaking beautifully.
Bye everyone.